This video is sponsored by Mautech Solutions. If you have lag problems with your computer shop and Wi-Fi Vendo machine, try our Macrotic with lag reduction configuration. Proven and tested by our customers. We also offer Wi-Fi hotspot so you can start your Wi-Fi business by just selling vouchers without having a machine. We also offer PPPoE if you want to supply internet to your neighbors. Visit our Shopee store and add to cart now.
Good day mga ka-Mautech. So very quick tutorial lang tayo paano mag-add router sa Micmon. So first, open nyo muna yung Winbox. Kung meron kayong full admin na in order, pwede nyo gamitin yung full admin nyo. Kung wala naman, bibigyan namin kayo ng temporary account. So for example, yung account nyo is Mautech, password is 1234. Click nyo lang dito sa my MAC address and then connect. So una, hahanapin nyo yung IP ng Microtech. So click nyo yung quick setup. Tapos sa drop down arrow, click home AP. And then under internet IP address, copy nyo to. And then open Micmon server. Click nyo yung open Micmon. And then log in your details. And then click add router. So yung session name dito kahit ano mga ka-Mautech. So type ko lang Mautech. Mautech hotspot. DNS name hotspot.com. Currency PHP. Tapos yung IP ng Microtech, yung kinapi natin kanina, right click paste. And then username Mautech 1234. Click nyo yung save. And then para matest yung connection, click nyo yung ping. Pag okay na, wala nang problema, magsasabi siya ng ping, okay. And then close, and then connect. So ganyan lang kasimple mga ka-Mautech kung paano mag-add router sa Micmon. Maraming salamat.